Hello students, now we are going to start the thermodynamics, and for this week onward we will study the thermodynamics. And I am taking the book from here is Narayana neat book student from Narayana. Okay, Narayana neat book I am taking. From this book I will try to discuss the thermodynamics. Okay, so here let us see the first of all introduction. What is meaning of the thermodynamics? Thermodynamic is a Greek word which is combination of two words, that is thermo and dynamics. Okay student, and what is meaning of this? Thermodynamic is a branch of science which deals with the energy change taking place in all physical and chemical process. So thermo means what student? This is heat, and dynamics means change. So that is what is change of the heat or change of energy in physical and chemical process. So read out again student. Thermodynamics is the branch of science which deals with the energy change taking place in all physical and chemical process. Next point student, chemical thermodynamics. What is chemical thermodynamics? It is the branch of thermodynamics which deals with the study of energy change taking place in a chemical process. So whatever the chemical reaction are taking place, if there is energy change in the chemical reaction, that is what is comes under the chemical thermodynamic. Advantage of the thermodynamics, let us see student. And physical that thermodynamics means that is energy change in the physical process. It gives the information about the various thermodynamics law. It helps us to predict whether the given chemical reaction takes place or not under the given conditions. It gives information about various energy change. Limitation of thermodynamics. What are the limitation? Thermodynamics deals with the properties like the temperature, pressure, volume, of the matters in the bulk, but does not tell us anything about the individual properties of atoms, molecules. Okay, or thermodynamics deals with the macroscopic model, but not with the microscopic. So thermodynamics is not telling any information about the molecule student. So it is not the micro process, it is about always a macro, where the bulk of molecules are there, about that it will deal. It does not tell anything about the rate of reaction. So thermodynamics have nothing to do with the rate of reaction. What are the terms of the thermodynamics? Let us discuss student. First one, thermodynamics term, the system and the surrounding. Okay, so firstly let us understand the system. It is a part of universe which is under thermodynamic study at that instant where energy changes can be regulated, controlled and studied. So a small portion of the universe on which, that is, we study the effect of the temperature, that is energy, is known as what? That is system. Crystal for a crystallographer, is physical process for physicist, a chemical reaction for a chemist. These are the system. Now what are surrounding? The remaining part of the universe other than the system is called surrounding. Universe means system plus surrounding. What is boundary? Any real, imaginary, rigid or non-rigid surface that separates system and surrounding is not known as what? Boundary. For example, a reaction is carried out in a beaker. The content of the beaker constitute the system. Okay, the contents of the beaker constitute the system, serve as a boundary, and the anything which is outside of the beaker is called surrounding. Exchange of heat and matter between the system and surrounding always occurs through the boundary. Also, a boundary may be adiabatic or dithermic. Okay, adiabatic boundary does not conduct heat, while dithermic boundary permit the exchange of heat between system and surrounding. Now student, here see the types of system what are there. This is the open system. Here gaseous molecule are coming and going. Closed system, here there is no pass of energy, and this is the closed container. Isolated system, isolated means there is the layer is there here. So this is the this one is the system is inside of the some insulated wall, insulated wall. So this insulated wall is there, so that is what is isolated system. So these system are three times. Open system, this type of system can be exchange energy as well as matter with the surrounding. The boundary is neither sealed nor insulated. None of the thermodynamics law will be defined for the open system. Hot water in open glass, all living system, human being, plants, animal, classroom, its earth are the open system. Now next one is closed. This type system can be exchange energy but not matter with the surrounding. The boundary is sealed but not insulated. Amount of system will remain constant. All the thermodynamics law are applicable for the closed system only. Hot water in the closed vessel, glowing bulb, a satellite in orbits. These are the closed system. Next one, isolated system. The system which does not exchange either the matter or energy with the surrounding. Boundary is sealed and insulated universe can be considered as an isolated system. Therefore, any law which is applicable for universe is applicable for isolated system. So, coffee in thermodynamic, thermos flask is example of isolated system. Read out once more, student. The system which does not exchange either matter or energy with the surrounding. Okay, boundary is sealed with insulated universe can be considered as isolated system. Therefore, any law which is applicable for universe is also applicable for isolated system. Coffee in thermos flask. So this is all about the introduction of thermodynamics, student. We will be studying the one by one slides with the help of this books, Narayana NEET book. Thank you so much for watching, friends.